So now we'll do the coin mech. This is the coin mech mounting plate. And for our coin mechs, we have to move this up one slot. So there's 2 screws on the side here. And we're going to move up to that slot there. And then when that's in place, this screw here goes down to the bottom hole. And yeah, we'll mount the coin mech from there. Okay, so we've got the coin mech here. We've loaded it up with a float. And to install it, we'll just release this yellow tab so the validator comes out. And just going to line it up with the holes. And it just slides over them. And we'll just tighten up with a screwdriver. Thank you. We'll put the validator back in. And it just clicks into place. Now if we need to adjust the coin mech to suit the coin arm, there's 2 screws up here. So you can go left or right. It seems to be very well lined up. And then if it's too far back or forward, we go back to the 2 screws on the side here, loosen them up, and the coin mech will slide back and forth until you've got it central with the coin arm.